Today we are going to learn new chapter probability. Probability means chance of occurrence. To learn this chapter, students, we must have some definitions. Experiment, an operation which results some well-defined outcomes is called experiment. It should be well defined. The second one is random experiment. An experiment whose outcome can't be predicted with certainty is called a random experiment. An experiment whose outcome can be told before is not a random experiment. Example, if today is Monday, tomorrow has to be Tuesday, it is certain, so it is not a random experiment. Tossing a fair coin can result in head or tail, is a random experiment. Throwing a die, an unbiased die, can result in any number 1 to 6 because a die contains 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, 5 points, 6 points. So 1 to 6, any one of them can turn up, is a random experiment. The next one is sample space, the total outcome. Sample space, the definition of sample space, the set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called sample space of further experiment. It is usually denoted by the symbol capital S. So wherever you see here capital S is the notation for sample space. Tossing a coin once will result either in head or in tail. So the sample space will be S equal to either head or tail. This is a sample space. Now, next definition is event. A subset of the sample space associated with a random experiment is called an event. A subset of the sample space associated with a random experiment is called an event. Example, when a die is thrown, sample space is S equal to 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, 5 points, 6 points. These are the possibilities when a die is thrown. Now, let A be the event of occurrence of an odd number. So, what is the possibility of occurrence of odd number, students? You can get odd number 1, 3, 5. So, this is an odd number. So, B is an occurrence of number greater than 4. You can take one more event. Greater than 4. The greater than 4 is nothing but 5, 6. Like that, you can take, these are all called events. Next is simple event, elementary event. If an event E has only one element of a sample space, only one element is called a simple event. When a coin is tossed, sample space is H, T, head or tail. Now, H, T is the sample space. Let A be the event of occurrence of a tail. So, occurrence of a tail is only one element. This is called a simple event. Next, mixed event or compound event or composite event. A subset of sample spaces which contains more than one element is called mixed events. Tossing of a coin twice. So, you'll get if a coin is tossed twice, the sample space is like this. S contains the first coin shows head, second shows tail. First shows tail, second shows head. First tail, second also tail. First head, second also head. See, these are the possibilities of a sample space when a coin is tossed twice. Now, E be the event of getting one head, exactly one head. Let E1 be the event of exactly getting one head. Exactly getting one head means what are the possibilities? One head, HT, TH. This is exactly one head. And E2 be the event of getting two elements. So E1 be the event of getting exactly one head, HT or TH. So it contains two elements, HT, TH. So it is a mixed event or compound event, we can say. Next one is complementary event. See, this is widely applied in so many problems where it is a problem is containing very complicated level. We can take the help of complementary event. Students, see what is the definition of this. We are going to explain. For every event A, there corresponds another event A called complementary event to A. It is called the event not A. Not A is the complementary event of A. Example, let us we take an experiment of throwing a die once. If you throw a die once, the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a sample space. Let A be the event of getting an even number outcome. So from this, what is even number? 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6 is an even number. And not of A. Not A means which is not an even number. Not an even number. Not of A. Not of this is what? Simply 1, 3, 5. Because your event A is an event of even number. Not of A means which is not an even number. Which is not even number is what? Odd number 1, 3, 5. It is denoted by the symbol. You can write as A prime, or you can use this notation. So this is a bar notation. So this A prime or A bar is called complementary event of A. Now we can say some interesting points here. When the sets A and B are two events associated with a sample space, A union B is another event. Union symbol is an event, either A or B or both. This event called A union B. If two events A and B are two events, the set A intersection B means A and B. That means you require the both events A and B. Similarly, the set A minus B is called as A but not B. That means you take only the elements of A but not B. That is denoted by the symbol A minus B. A minus B called. Suppose you want to say this is set theoretically, you can also say like this. See, this is set A and this is set B. Set A, set B, AB, and this is A intersection B. This part is a common part of these two, A intersection B. Now, A minus B is also say as A subtracting A intersection B. That means from the total set of A, if you remove the common part, what is left? Only this part is left. This is a part left. This part only we call as A minus B. A minus B means elements belongs to only set A but not B. So A minus B also be written as A minus A intersection B. So these are the notations about either A or B you write as A union B. A and B is written as A intersection B. A minus B means the elements belongs to A but not B. A minus B is also written as A minus of A intersection B.